Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart, and what I'd like to do now is to answer the question, what is trading? And I'd also like to illustrate this by the way of an example trade. Many people want to learn how to trade but are not sure exactly what that entails. Before I begin to train anyone, I ask them the simple question, what are you coming to learn how to do? What is trading? I usually get some vague answer along the lines of, it's buying and selling. Well, that's not really clear enough. So, what is trading? Trading requires you, first and foremost, to have the knowledge to know what to do. You have to learn how to read the market. You have to write a trading plan. And you have to learn the correct trading process. Once you have that, you have to develop the patience to wait for the market to show you your edge. And finally, you have to have the discipline to follow your trading plan. So let's now look at an example trade. Here we have the euro dollar. And we're looking at a daily chart here. I've marked out an area of supply where I expect prices to drop after coming into this zone. So let's see what happens. So price rises up here into the supply zone and turns to the downside. What I'd like to do now is to take a trade and take advantage of the potential move down. So I'm looking now for an entry. So here I have an entry. I now go and take the trade. I'm looking to risk 40 pips here. So here's my stop. If the price comes up here, I will take $1,000 loss. So you need to know about position sizing. I'm taking 2.5 lots with a stop of 40 pips. And that would mean that if the stop is hit, I would lose $1,000. But I'm looking to make around 3 times that. So I'm looking to take a target of around 120 pips. So let's take the trade and see what happens. So here's my entry, here's a stop, and here's the target. Let's play out the trade. So if we look over here in our open position, we'll see we're actually down a few points. We're down $75. But we're going to let the trade play out. We're following our trading plan. Once we're in the trade, our trading plan tells us what to do, how to manage the trade. So we're just going to let the trade play out. Oh, finally we get to our target. So you see, if we look at our account history here, we risked $1,000 on the trade and we actually made $2,913. We had to pay a swap for holding overnight. But here you see, we took $1,000 risk and we made almost 3 times that. To be able to do this, you need to have the knowledge to know how to read the market. You need to have a trading plan. You need to have the patience to wait for the market to show you your edge. And you need to have the discipline to follow your trading plan. That's all for now. Good luck with your trading.